down. It's too hot. Okay. Go really fast. See, I got it.
Yep, keep going.
Okay. Too high.
No, it's not. You're all right.
I got it. I got it. Oh.
Got all yours on, Maverick? Okay, White, get the other one started.
Almost on. You can leave this one.
No, wrong way, Mav.
I got the grease on it.
Yeah.
Now you can glue this one.
Is that one slippery?
Yeah.
Keep going.
And that. It's
It's all right. Keep going. Or let Maverick do it. Other way, Mav. No, you're right on how the nut goes on. Just you're turning it the wrong way. There you go. There you go. Good job. This is my twin boys helping me get the tire changed on the baler. I got it all jacked up, blocked up, so it's held safe. But they wanted to help put the lug nuts on, so they got the lug nuts put on for me.